guys, this is Mirsa with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you about my favorite French press. Not only is it a good price compared to others, but for example, I don't own a coffee maker, so this is a lifesaver, especially if you're like me. We like our coffee in the morning or at night. This fits in my cabinet, so once I'm finished pouring myself a cup of coffee, washing it, I can place it back in my cabinets, and my counter space is free. It's also very easy to use. At first I thought it was gonna be complicated, but all you have to do is make sure your coffee grinds are very grinded. That's what makes the French press work the best. After that, I pour my hot water, I do a little mix. I feel like that just blends well with the water, the grinds, and then I let it rest. I think it's very important to let it rest, since if you like your coffee strong, that will definitely concentrate your coffee even more. And after it's been setting for 4 minutes, I press it, and after that I have myself a fresh cup of coffee. So I enjoy the aspect that it's very easy to use. These are some of the reasons why I enjoy my French press. Thank you, and this was my point of view.